Hi, welcome back. Another important update. This is a specific field which is relevant for S4 HANA business partners. Let's try to have a look around that, what exactly it is. So, importance of business partner type in SAP S4 HANA 2023 or any other versions. What is this business partner type? Okay. So, type, anyhow, you have a regular partners, okay, in partner determination. On top of it, on account groups, on top of account groups, you got business partners, okay. So let's see what exactly it is, okay. Let's try to understand. So the same transaction, okay, we'll use BP. Let's getting into the, before going ahead, you can see this is my YouTube channel. If you want further learning, you can give a try on this. And apart from that, so I'm holding currently 4,600 students. This is my ECC course and this is business partners course. And as for now, I have few courses. This is more or less specific related to SAP S4 HANA expert advanced pricing. You can give a try. Certain times, if I feel that something important, I will try to add that ECC also. That's why I kept ECC. Actually, this is actually recorded in S4 HANA. So if you wanted to try, you can give a try. If you are not yet introduced to real time, you can try a couple of courses. One is getting master to write functional specification, and the second one is idocs. My favorite course after pricing, idocs. You can give a try. This is very, very important. So don't take chances and try to improve yourself before getting into the real time. Okay, let's getting into the S4 HANA. Okay, let's go to SPRO. So, okay, before going configuration, let me go to the BP. Okay, so let's click this. Let's go to the existing BP. Okay, business partner. So now you can able to see this. This is the address for you, and after that you just directly go to the identification, and after that you will have something called control. Here you can able to find this field business partner type. Okay, what exactly it is. Okay, so like standard, he has given some examples like employee BP, you would like to make a master data, or else contact person, you would like to make a separate master data, or else broker, manager, sales representative, and sales agent, and a stakeholder. Okay, that means, so suppose if I take in this stakeholder as a BP, probably like his attributes, his benefits, something different within the organization. Okay, for example, if you take uh, like all stakeholders, uh, maybe like additional 10% extra discount you're giving your things what you are selling. At the same time, employees, they used to get 5% more discount when compared with outside consumers, like that. Probably I'm just telling one business strategy. In the similar way, I can able to do in the same way, because my policies and my configurations are completely different from distributors and wholesalers and retailers. Okay, for them it is different. So probably I can able to define my org level, like customer type 1, customer type 2, customer type 3. Type 1, it goes to top level. Like if you compare with FMCG, okay, local, large and above industries, like if you take for example, if I'm selling the biscuits, assume that I'm a company called Duke, I just wanted to distribute my stock, then I can able to distribute their like large industries like big bazaars, more supermarkets, all these are large. Probably like then medium, I can able to medium kind of retail outlets. Okay, so large I can go for DMart and all these things. At the same time, like small means wholesalers and retailers, these kind of things. At the same time, I need another business partner type called distributor. It's the same thing. If I would like to spread my Duke biscuits, I just wanted to differentiate my master data well organized, so that I can able to define my price policies and benefits accordingly. Okay, and it can be anything. It can be, probably you can read the terms like market segmentation and divide and rule, these kind of things will be there in MBA. What you are going to read, the same thing will be there in your what I will say S4 HANA or ECC business requirements, that you would like to spread it on a high level if you would like to think about that. Let's try to do this configuration. So let's go to SPRO. Okay, /SPRO. That's a good call. Reference IMG. So always go to cross applications. So this is S4 HANA 2023, or else if you go any other S4 HANA, so business partners will be there in cross application. You can able to see exactly in the middle. Let's go to business partners. In that you go to basic settings. Okay, so you can able to see business partner types. Okay, so just click define business partner types. It's very simple. So now, so they have defined, right? Okay, so probably I can able to define my category like, okay, H001 wholesalers, H002 retailers. Okay, probably I can able to define like this. So H003 distributors. Just an example, I'm just doing this one. Probably like suppose if you are from chemical industry, so stockists, so like who is maintaining the stock. For example, if you are from Rambaxi company, you can make all stockists as one BP, or else you have your own list of hospitals that you can able to maintain. Okay, medical care or something like that. You can able to define. It is not mandatory, but how you are going to segregate. Being a consultant, you can able to suggest if it is new implementation, or else if they have anything something like that beyond your customer groups, if you'd like to utilize, you can able to utilize it. Okay, so now let's go to the BP. I'm just trying to assign to the existing. For example, so King Special, I'm just going, double click on this. Okay, now control, let's choose King Special is distributor. I'm choosing, yeah. So now I just consider it one as a distributor. Let's imagine you have a tons of data, huge data at the time of cutover. This is also one column. You're supposed to segregate your BPs. Okay, so let's go for another one. Probably I'll try to do this BP as something like, so like this one is wholesaler. Okay, this is how you can able to play with. This is the main advantage with this. So let's try to run. So let's go to try to check this field. Okay, so this is the field name, BP kind. First time I'm seeing this field, before you only, but I know this, the functionality of this field, and you can able to see this is the program. Okay, so this is all about your business partner types according to the industry where you are working. Being a consultant, you try to understand what exactly their business it is. You can utilize it. There is no like compulsion, like you should have to follow this one. Okay, so probably like, so as I said that if you want to learn that the depth for S4 HANA business partners with different scenarios. Okay, when I tried first system, first one or two scenarios, little tricky. If you find third scenario, you can able to better understand in a best way. Okay, so this is all about my BP course. You can give a try, and a few courses available at my end for S4 HANA also. Okay, let's catch up in next session. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. I wish you all the best. Have a great time. Jai Bharat. All the best. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining the session. If you have doubts, and you can comment. And if you like this video, you can like it. I'm not like a regular YouTuber. to ask about give me likes and all those things. If you really like it, you can do it. Okay. All the best.